I would love to be involved in like the space industry. Particularly, I would like to be involved in extraterrestrial colonization. I'm in a wheelchair now, so in the future, if I helped out with an extraterrestrial colony, then I might be able to like float around out there. My accident happened in 2012. I went hiking, and during that, I slipped down the edge and fell and broke my neck. I was awake at the bottom of the cliff. I couldn't move. I knew that something was wrong, so all I did was just sort of breathe in and out with the sound of the waves. When I heard like the helicopter sounds, then I knew, oh, okay, help has probably arrived. It didn't really hit me that my life was going to be drastically different until I actually left the rehab center and I got home. I was pretty depressed. I started getting less depressed when I started noticing time passing by. And in the moment, it was just sort of like more depression. But in hindsight, that's probably when I started recovering mentally. One of the clubs on campus that's been really helpful for me is Empower. Their main goal is to help people in the local community who have difficulties in their daily lives. I posted on social media looking to hire a part-time care assistant, and then the president of the club contacted me and asked me whether or not there was anything that I could think of they could design to improve my quality of life. And the first thing that I thought of was a lift that I could take with me while traveling.
What he's tasked us with doing is creating a lifting solution, a way for him to get from his wheelchair into a hotel bed. He has the most bubbly personality, which matches me very well. The other thing is, because he's an engineering student, he'll oftentimes give us solutions that we haven't thought of.
I'm 8 years post-injury. It's affected my life, but it's no longer my daily concern. And I'm gonna move on and deal with the issues that have resulted from it.